Hello friends, today we have Mr. Harish Tangal. He is the owner of Hotel Guru Kripa in Daman, Hotel Sovereign, and today we are at its new property, La Pemara. And he's also the Vice President of Hoteliers Association of Daman, and he's also the committee member of Hotelier Association of Western India. Over to you, Harish Bhai. Can you tell me about your property? This is really a wonderful property, in fact, and we would love to hear it from you. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, this is our old. Basically, it was a farm purchased by my father. It's a 20 acres property, and it's right opposite Devka Beach, and which is developing day by day. And here we have a bungalow, a villa with 10 rooms, which we offer for destination weddings and also for reunions.
As you told that this stretch, Devka Beach, we have many more properties over here. How would you say this is about this area and how we can promote and
We have plenty of hotels nearby, but ours is little away from the crowd. It's more like a virgin place, and because of its vastness, it has a altogether different outlook also.
Okay. How many people can we accommodate in La Pelle House? And as you said, we can transfer for the small gathering layer courtyard also.
Yeah. As far as weddings are concerned, we can take up to 2,500 people at a stretch, and in fact, we had Sunburn program over here, which had a capacity of 2,000 people at a time. And for reunions, the rooms we can accommodate 20 to 30 people, and we have a small restaurant wherein we arrange the food and everything.
Okay. As you told that you have given the resemblance of Portuguese, like could you tell me more about the interiors you have used in?
Yeah, the total interiors has been done by Mr. Deepak Kamath, our architect from Mumbai, and he has put his heart and brain inside it, and he has designed it on a total Portuguese outlook, and put antique items in it. So basically, it's like a boutique hotel.
Yeah. I would like to also tell you about the tiles which they have repainted and converted into some.
Yeah,
It give you the feel of that Portuguese.
Yeah, in fact, we wanted to put carpet, but near the beach, carpets are not proper. So he designed. He wanted to put some good carpets on the carpet tiles. So he could not get it. So we got it screen printed,
Okay.
especially for the rooms.
Would you also like to throw some light about your one of your old property of Damans?
Yeah.
We have Guru Kripa, bang on the beach.
Okay.
And-
Hotel Sovereign is a property from 1945, almost 75 years old. So that hotel, we have made it pure vegetarian hotel with 2 restaurants, 24 rooms. And just besides it, we have one more hotel known as Hotel Guru Kripa, which is multi-cuisine, which also has 24 rooms and 2 restaurants. And seafood is our specialty at Guru Kripa. We also have a liquor store at Guru Kripa.
Daman being a union territory, people turn up for nightlife, liquors, boozing and all. So can you tell me more about like what we are having in?
Yeah, this is because to promote this place for tourism, excise rates have been kept very low, and for that purpose, we are the cheapest in India as far as beer and liquor is concerned, and we have good distilleries in Daman also. So people normally would enjoy their drinks. We get the best of the mocktails, and cocktails are served in Daman, and even barbecue facilities are there in Daman. There are about plenty of hotels in Daman. So it suits all pocket.